I'm a 33-year-old self-made millionaire who once thought I had money completely figured out. I built a thriving business empire, multiple shops, warehouses, the whole operation. Then almost overnight, the internet made everything I built irrelevant. I had two choices: give up or adapt. And you already know, quitting was never an option. So I threw myself into learning everything about making money online. And like most people today, I fell for the hype. I tried every method out there, and guess what? None of them were as easy as people claimed. But through trial and error, I cracked the code and rebuilt my businesses again. This time, with the internet at the core of everything. Fast forward to today. Making money online isn't just important. It's essential, and that's exactly why I'm making this video. I spent years testing, failing, refining, losing millions, making millions, and learning what actually works. Now I can help you avoid the mistakes and fast-track your success. No gimmicks, no BS, just the process that actually works. There are three main stages that define where people are in their journey to making money online, plus a secret fourth stage that only a few ever reach. We'll get to that one at the end. Let's start with stage one. This is where everyone begins. No side hustle. And sadly, 55% of people never even start. Inflation is rising, everything is more expensive, and relying on a single paycheck is more dangerous than ever. So if having a side hustle is essential, why do 55% still avoid it? Because the online space is a jungle. It's full of ads, hype, and proven methods that confuse more people than they help. The key to starting right is picking a method that matches your skills, budget, and lifestyle. If you already have a skill, video editing, graphic design, coding, setting up Discord servers, people pay great money for these services. There's real demand. But what if you don't have a skill yet? Or you don't want to deal with clients? That's where product-based businesses come in. One of the best paths is selling products online without ever holding inventory. Now let's move into stage two, running a failing side hustle, earning less than $50 a month online. 28% of people get stuck here. Many won't like hearing this, but the truth is, it's almost never the side hustle that's flawed. You're most likely just not putting enough time and effort in. But this isn't your fault. It's because of something called shiny object syndrome, constantly jumping from one trendy online method to another without fully committing. One week it's dropshipping, then print on demand, then Amazon KDP, then stock trading, then SMMA. The truth? All these methods work, but each requires time and commitment, and you'll never get results by jumping from one to the next. It's like that classic image of miners digging for gold and giving up right before striking it rich. If you're stuck in this cycle like the other 28%, it's time to pick one method and stick to it. If you don't have a high-income skill to sell, I'll make it simple. The method that has made me the most money online is e-commerce, but not the old-school hold inventory, complex setup version. Today, you can use AI-built Shopify stores. Instead of spending weeks setting everything up, you can use a free tool called BuildYourStore.ai to launch a fully automated store. You enter your name and email, choose a niche like fashion, tech, pets, and the AI picks winning products, designs your store, and makes it look professional from day one. It syncs with Shopify and gives you a 3-month trial for only $1. So how do you make sales? Most people fail in e-commerce because they give up too soon, or they don't want to deal with fulfillment. That's why the AI Store Builder also walks you through integrating AutoDS, a tool that imports trending products, updates pricing and images, fulfills orders automatically. You never touch inventory. You just drive traffic and make sales. You can create simple TikTok videos for free. If you hit 100K views and just 1% buy a $10 product, that's $10,000 in revenue. If you're serious about breaking out of the failing stage, commit to a simple automated model like this. No more jumping between ideas. Now on to stage 3, running a successful side hustle. Only 16% of people ever earn more than $50 a month. They make anywhere from $51 up to $10,000 a month. So what are they doing differently? Here are the 4 key steps. Step 1, stop trying to appeal to everyone. Define your ideal customer, age, interests, problems, the content they consume. Step 2, stay consistent. Not perfect, just consistent. Daily actions beat short bursts of motivation. Step 3, show, don't just tell. Don't just post generic videos. Show the product. Show how it works. Show what makes it better. Step 4, build trust with social proof. Record unboxings. Ask friends for reviews. Show real customers using it. People need proof before spending money. And finally, the secret stage 4, the level less than 1% ever reach. Running an elite side hustle. The difference maker, reinvesting. Most people think money is meant to be spent. The wealthy know money is meant to multiply. When you reinvest, you upgrade tools, you invest in ads or influencers, you outsource. You scale faster than everyone else. Start thinking this way early, and you'll already be ahead of 99% of people. Just don't click it yet. Make sure to subscribe if you want to grow your online income.